Hi guys, this is Matt and today we're gonna see how to crop a video in Premiere Pro. So the process is very simple and the first thing that we need to do obviously is to have Premiere Pro open. And let's say that in this video, I'm gonna mute the sound. Let's say that we wanna crop a portion of this video, this frame. So what I usually do is create an adjustment layer and put it above the portion of the video that I want to crop, because if I change my mind and I want to undo that, if I apply the crop on the clip itself, then it would be a problem. But if I apply it on an adjustment layer position above it, I won't have any problem. The only thing that I need to do is just delete that adjustment layer and it goes back as it was before. So I've already created an adjustment layer. What I can do is drag and drop it in the timeline. I'll make it longer just for you guys to see. And let's say that we want to crop this portion right here. So the first thing that we need to do is go to Effects and type Crop. Now this effects pops up. I'm gonna drag and drop in the adjustment layer, and if we see and go down here, now the crop effect showed up, and it's very simple and straightforward. So we got left, top, right and bottom, and here if we drag our cursor, you'll see that it's gonna start cutting from the left, from the top, from the right and from the bottom up. So we can obviously animate this with keyframes, but this is, in my opinion, the easiest way to cut a portion of the screen, a frame, or whatever element you are trying to cut. And as I was telling you, if let's say you don't wanna have this cut or this crop anymore because you had decided to go for another path with your editing, the only thing that you need to do is either toggle this track out so it doesn't show anymore in your preview. But let's say that you don't want to have it anymore, you just go ahead and delete it, and now you have the video as it was originally. So it's very simple and it's the easiest way, in my opinion, to crop on Premiere Pro. So guys, let me know if it was helpful, and if you have any question, please comment down in the section below. And if you have any other question regarding Premiere Pro or Photoshop or any other Adobe programs, please leave a comment below as well. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking.